Hey guys, what is up? It's Lunar Attacks here. So today we're going to be doing a sort of tutorial review for this mouse over here. It will also work with this one and this one. So if you guys have those mouses, you came to the right video. This is the second part to this one, the unboxing for the mouse, which we did a week ago. So don't forget to check that out. It'll be on the iCard, and let's get it. So first what you're going to want to do is look for the mouse that you want the driver or the software to be. So for our case, you can either do this one, or this one. So I'm going to click on that. And I contacted them last week saying that the driver was not working because I downloaded it. They had it right here, but it wasn't working. I don't know why. It just said it couldn't detect the mouse. And I did say that in the previous video that it wasn't working, and many people had the same problem. So after I contacted them, they gave me this link right here, and I downloaded it and it works. So I'll put this link in the description if you guys have the same problem and you guys can use this. And let me know in the comments if it does work. For me, it personally did, and I'd just like to know your thoughts about that. So after you download it, you're obviously going to want to open it. So I'm actually using WinRAR to unzip it, because when you download it, it doesn't go straight to as a software. It actually comes as a zip, and you have to unzip it and it works. So I've unzipped it. I recommend WinRAR. I mean, I think most people might have it already pre-installed on their computer, but so once you press open, it should come up right here, and you want to click on that. Okay. Oh no, it's a bit slow right now. And then I'll ask you this. You want to say yes. And then select your language. Press next. It's going to ask you where you want your file for it to be, what you want to name it. And then you want to press install, and I'll see you guys when it's installed. So once you have it installed, this should come up, and it won't show the RGB lighting on screen. It will just have the black and red one, but it will correspond straight to your mouse. So over here, obviously you can change your DPI if you want to make it higher, lower, anything. You can set your custom. Here you can change your button binding, what you want to bind it to. And I'm gonna press the DPI button right now, and you can see on screen, it comes on screen. So if you're in the middle of a game, you want to see it, but you don't want to look down at your mouse. It shows you what mode it is right here. It'll show your DPI and what number it is. So once you have, if you want to, you've had your personal DPI preference, the next bar here is lighting. So here is the first effect that's playing right now, is colorful streaming. Then there's steady, which is just one color, and over here you can pick your color and change it to any color you like. Next is breathing, and you can click any color that you want to keep it breathing on. Then next is tail and neon. This one, I kind of like it. I mean, I was when I was trying to pick my personal preference, I was deciding between colorful streaming and neon, because that was also good. Then there's colorful steady. This is just almost like a rainbow, I guess. Not sure really. And the flicker, I don't know if you'd use that or not. It's a bit flashy, but you can change the colors for all this. Wave is also very nice. I mean, it's got its own look to it. And then you can also just obviously keep it off for people who don't like it. So next is mouse perimeter, and you can also change the sensitivity on here and your scrolling speed, which I was kind of surprised because I'm not sure if a lot of softwares have that, but that was really nice. And double click speed, and the next is polling rate. I really have not messed around with this because I'm not sure really much what that is. And now let's go into the macro editor. So here is your macro editor, and this is what it looks like. I'm not going to make a macro right now, but if you guys don't know how to make a macro, leave it down in the comments, and I might make a video on that. And also here's your multiple profiles. And as I showed earlier, when you change your profile, like I'm gonna press that right now, it comes on screen, profile mode 1, mode 2, which is really cool. And you can also delete stuff. You can export it, rename it, import it, which is also pretty cool. You can also input, like if you had it on a different device, and I think if you download the software, I think it's like if you're going out for tournaments and you don't want to like take a long time just setting all your things all over again. So I think that's what it could be for, and I think that's a pretty useful setting. There's also the restore button, which you guys obviously know, and then there's apply if you did put any changes. I think you can also change the color, like how I said earlier that like in my other video, 7,200 DPS yellow and all of that. You can change the color, like I can make 800 like something else, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.